And welcome back to What My Dad Does, and today I've got to refit a bath which still has the remnants of the old mastic all around it. I've given it a scrape, but now I need to really clear it up. So how am I going to do that? Let's go and find out. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be removing the last bit of mastic stuck on this bath, and I'm going to do that with a product, no nonsense product called Sealant Remover. And yes, I'm aware I have bright yellow marigolds on, but I'm figuring that if this remover is going to sort of melt the mastic, then it must be a fairly strong chemical, so I'm going to try and protect myself. And all you do inside is a brush, and you just if you can get the child-proof cap off. Inside is a brush, and you'll see that all you do is just brush that on. So I'm also going to wear some goggles because I don't want it splashing in my eyes. And you just liberally put it over the mastic. And then we're going to leave it for 15 minutes, okay? And we're going to let it do its thing. And we're going to come back and see if we can then just brush that off. So let's put that everywhere. I'll come back to you after 15 minutes and we'll see if that is any easier to get off than it was before. Okay, so here we are. It's been 15 minutes, and before I'd scraped it with my trusty scraper and I hadn't been able to get anything else off. So if anything comes off now, then it's the product working, not the fact I was rubbish before. So let's just see what's gonna. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that's good. Yeah, that comes off easy. Oh yeah, I'd say that's worked really well. It does say you can put a second application on there if you need to. Do you know, I'm probably not going to even need to bother. I'm not going at that really scraping at it. That is just literally lightly coming off. And then they say just wash over it with a bit of water and stuff. Oh, if you can still see stuff on this edge, I didn't do this edge because it doesn't actually matter to me. It's up against the wall, so I'm not worried about that. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. That has come up absolutely perfect. I can't see anything on there at all. So yeah, that's a good result. Only took 15 minutes. It's dissolved it nice. There might be some bits that need a second application, but you know, you just have to wait 15 minutes and it should just scrape off easily. So would I recommend this little no nonsense sealant remover? Yes, I absolutely would. I wouldn't leave home without it if I was doing this job, and I'd have to recommend that you don't either. So thanks very much for watching, and catch you in the next one.